Okay, so there's just a couple of things to do to finish off this breakdown, and to get into the second part of the track. Firstly, we're going to take the filter rise here, and we're going to move it over so that the siren here is happening at 185, which will signal the end of this breakdown. Secondly, just going to copy all of these and double this up so that the sub bass is playing the same thing as this bass up here. Next, if I zoom out a little bit, I'm going to select everything between locators 97 and 161. So if I just select that, a cycle region around there, and then just go to edit, select inside locators, and then we can just simply alt click down here and drag everything over and drop it here at 185. So we'll just copy all that automation data. Okay, so that's fine there. Now the next thing is to steal the build-up from here and drop it in here. And again, we're going to be drawing in an automation sweep here on the kick drum. And then again, similarly, we'll be taking the two snares from here and dragging these across. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to automate the feedback on the dub piano, and we're actually just going to sort out the sound of the dub piano. I'm just going to put a cycle region around here and just press play. Okay, the dub piano needs to be shortened. Okay, what I'm actually going to do is just go in to all the notes, and I'm just going to glue all of this together. And just double click inside it. And then I'm just going to go in and make half the length of these. Okay, it's much better. And what I'm also going to do is set up a new track. So I'm just going to double click here, and I'm going to reassign the track object for delay 2 here. So whenever it comes to the end of this breakdown part, I'm just going to set the feedback to increase. So it's going to go up from 50 to about 60, and then it's going to go back down to 50 just here. And as well as that, I'm going to bring the volume of it down slightly, because whenever the feedback goes up, it's going to become quite loud. So if I take maybe the volume down by about minus 10 dB, and then bring it back up then again. So I'm just going to zoom in here and make sure that this automation is tight against the bar. So I'm just going to go back into the feedback as well. Okay, and we want that to go back down to 50 whenever it drops in. Okay, and then whenever it drops in again, we want the actual piano to play for these two phrases. And then just to make a simple outro, just going to take the section between 217 and 233, and just going to go to edit, select inside locators, and just click on this, copy it. Copy the automation data, and then copy it again, and then just going to go down and take out the bass and just leave the drums for that last section, and also take out the piano. And we can just leave everything else in because that's just going to be an outro, kind of a DJ friendly outro section. Okay, so if we listen back from 161, we can hear how that second breakdown sounds now. Just going to take the cycle region off. Okay, so that's fine.